Hi friends, welcome to a new video. Today we are making an oxymel. What is an oxymel? An oxymel is essentially a combination of apple cider vinegar and honey, ideally equal portions, and then add a new herb of your choice. Today we are doing lemon balm oxymel. Lemon balm, also known as Melissa officinalis. It's a perennial herb in the mint family. It grows quite easily in the temperate climate and also in the tropical climate. Ideally, it's best to harvest your herbs first thing in the morning, and this is what we are doing here. Lemon balm can be invasive, hence I'm growing it in a container because it can spread quite easily. It is like a mint plant, so it does the same thing. Now, lemon balm has been shown to be an effective remedy for treating a few things. This is research, but I am not giving you medical advice, okay? So this is all based on the information I have had, and that's why I'm making it. I'm just sorting out my harvest for the day, and we'll go ahead and we'll make our lemon balm oxymel. To start with, we wash our lemon balm thoroughly, okay? Ideally not under running water because it can bruise easily. That's why I'm just doing it gently, okay? And once you're done, you strain it. Now back to what the research has shown. Lemon balm has been shown to help with things like herpes. So if you suffer from cold sores, it helps balance the nervous system, can calm an upset stomach, yeah, and also relieve stress and anxiety, and even things like insomnia, dementia, and colic. This is things that research has shown. Now I'm using my wild honey. This is a bit thick honey, so I'm using a whisk to ensure I dissolve it all properly. You can use local honey, but ideally use raw honey because it has antibacterial properties that you need in this oxymel. After washing it all up and mixing your vinegar honey, now you make sure you get all the excess moisture out of your lemon balm leaf. So I'm using a salad spinner to do this, just getting rid of as much moisture as we can because bacteria grows easily in moist environment. When I finish, I just chop it up a little bit, not too fine, and then put it into a nice clean dry jar and ensure everything is immersed in the vinegar and honey mixture. I use like a fermentation weight because it's ferments not heavily, but try not to make the container airtight because you could have an explosion. So just be warned. Now this is all you need to do. It's simple and easy, and it can keep for up to a year. But once open, store in the fridge ideally, because once again it ferments and it can go bad. Now, how do I enjoy my lemon balm oxymel? I use it in my teas. I can also give the children like a little teaspoon, but children under one shouldn't be given honey. So ideally you can use glycerin for your oxymel, okay? So use it in the first thing in the morning. I take a tablespoon, I cover it with a dark container once it's made, and just leave it in the shelf for a couple of weeks, and then I can start using it. I add this to my tea. You can add it to just water, 1 tablespoon. And if I have a stressful day ahead, I take it maybe twice a day. But then it's also so good for insomnia, which is something I have suffered from in the past. So I use that like in the evenings with my herbal tea. Have you enjoyed this video? Have you found any value? If you have, give us a thumbs up, share this video to your loved ones, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.